Hey, what's up everybody? This is Silas with Flatline Van Co. We are going to give you a walkthrough of our new 144 marketing van. This is a Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 high roof in Jupiter red. We'll just kind of start walking around and picking out some of the cool stuff on here. This is our nudge bar with some KC lights. We got these front solar panels that go on the hood here. Those are from Cascadia 4x4. They're 90 watts combined, and they've done a good job of keeping the fridge running. And even with light driving, these things are putting out more power than we kind of thought they would. So pumped on that. Terrawagon flares over the wheels and on the nose of the hood here. We are running 275/70 R17 BFGs on here with these black rhinos. For the roof rack, we have our Low Pro Series roof rack, one of our most popular racks. Just super easy to work around fans and solar panels, decking, awnings, whatever you kind of want to add to it. As you can see here, we have the Fiamma F80 awning. A very simple addition to our Low Pro roof rack. We make a kit called the F80 kit that makes adding it a very quick and painless job. Then you get a little more coverage outside from rain or sun, depending on where you're at. We've been using these tabs to add the feet to the side. These come from Impact Products. This guy Hein out in Hood River, he makes a lot of cool stuff for the Sprinters and Transits and ProMasters. The Mountain Standard guys did this build out for us. It's beautiful. As you can see, outdoor lights, all of our interior pieces look great in here, accompanied by the Alpine Van Works interior kit. Right here you have our step extension, which adds a little more to your footprint. That's definitely something we do to all of our vans. It's definitely been a popular product. We've got swivel seats in this one, so you can turn both of them around, eat dinner, play cards, whatever it is you want to do in this space. But as you can see, in a 144, with the flare space pop outs, it adds a ton of room. So we have a 2-seater here, room for our galley. This is our 24-inch galley with an isotherm fridge. The guys at the Mountain Standard put this sink in for us and faucet, so that's rad. Reading lights, and again, here's the flare space pop outs. And plenty of room to sleep sideways. Again, that kit we used is from Alpine Van Works. Those guys are rad. They make a great interior kit, and it's very reasonably priced and pretty quick to get to your door, which is always helpful. All right, guys, stay tuned. And we'll have more on this van and all of our other vans on our YouTube page and social media stuff. So yeah, stay tuned, and thanks for checking us out. Later.